Have you ever looked into the mirror and think that you are not good enough or smart enough or intelligent enough? तो ये जो चीजें हैं ना जो आपको ऐसा लगता है ठीक है ना ये बस आपको नहीं लगता ये बहुत लोगों को लगता है. So we are not different at all. But like how to heal this broken self-image, right? This is a very important thing. Kyunki your journey will start when you start believing in yourself. And how to decode this term like broken self-image, here we are going to understand. So hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm Dhanupriya and let's go deep down into topic like how to heal from your destroyed self-image, right? What you are today, no, you're not believing in yourself or like you're not happy what you are today. So that's the reason of like broken self-image or like you're comparing always with someone, and that is the one of the reason that you are not happy just because of the you are comparing your environment with yourself without knowing the actual truth, and some of the factor which are keep on hitting your mind, and that leads to transform the way you are think and like way you perceive the things, and which leads to create more and more doubt towards yourself, or like you depend on other validations to prove like how you look, what you are today, or like any kind of improvement you want in your life. So you are always like need of validation of others to think about like whether I'm looking good or not, whether I'm going good to good or not, or always need of other peoples to like validate you that you are the person who will tell me that I'm doing good or not, or this is the correct methods, or this is the correct way to approach something or not. Always depend on others. It also leads to like destruct your self image. It is important to take recommendation because we are not always correct every time, because everyone having their own expertise. At the same time, we should understand that in what way they are saying and how I have to perceive that. It's very important because effective communication is all about how the other person is saying to me and how I am perceiving it. It's totally important. But sometimes it's also happen that some person will say in a different way, but you perceive it in a different way, right? So you need to very clearly understand like what the people are saying and like how you have to perceive it, right? So it's also a come from like bullying. Like some people like always tease you or like blame you for certain things, and that's the reason it's always create you and like make you feel that yes, you are like that only. So these are some of the reasons which also help you. Now these are some of the simple ways through which you can heal your self-image. So like you can write a story about yourself and make sure that if you are the main character of that novel or that book, what you want to become or like where you want to be, right? Because our life is also about a novel. It's also about a story, and it's truly important that how you want to design your life, right? And if you all want to move in such a directions that will give you an understand, like give you a self reflection and understanding about like how you want to move throughout your journey. Right, it's truly important. And like, or you can just go with this, talk yourself very politely. Like when you do mistake, you just say to yourself that I'm stupid. Instead of that, you can say that, hey, I'm learning. Right. And the best method to understand something is the learning. If you will do mistake, but if you consider it as a learning, you will learn more from it rather than regret. You just feel that this is the part of learning. And in fact, you are able to figure it out more things from that mistake, which is actually called learning. And that's truly important because that is something which give you actual understanding about something. You can stop comparing with others. It's important. Why? It is because, humans are different. This is truly not important that what I am and what you are. How you can compare someone with someone? We are having different personality, we are having different expertise, different interests, different personality, different attitudes, many more things, as well as the socialization. Right. So it's very hard for us to know comparing with someone. And based on other comparisons, like one person is getting these many things and you are not getting it, it's okay. Like you have your own ideas, you have your own understanding, you should have your own approach to reach somewhere, and it should be very clear what you want to do in your life, right? And then comparing, because comparing is something which will not help you to improve. It will degrade you and it will lead you to go down. Trust me, it is just a waste of energy. You will waste your energy if you will start comparing with yourself. Stop doing that. Instead of that, working on yourself, that will give you and also make you to feel healed from your self-image. And there is one thing which I always say, as well as I do also, just surround yourself with those people who support. Because it's always necessary that you should have like a limited number of people around you so that they can appreciate you what you are today, as well as they will help you to improve where it is required in a constructive way, right? Because many people having their own opinion, they can say many things, but you need to be smart here, like what you have to take or what you have to let them go, right? It is very necessary. I think so. This is a very important thing. That just surround yourself with people who really truly support you and who really care about you. And again, you can go with like, you should appreciate yourself for small achievements, what you're doing. Like if you set a small target and if you're able to achieve it, you should admire yourself that, hey, if I'm able to break what I planned, right, whatever the target I set for myself, I can do more than this, right? So here, this is again like come a story, and where we have to understand, like there is only one thing in our life which is help us to make emotional stable or improve in our life, and that is you, only you. So you need to think, you need to plan, you have to exercise yourself, you need to make sure that what you are doing today, so that you are able to figure it out your future based on your small activity which you are doing today, that will help you out to find where you will going to be tomorrow, right? So I will make sure that each things will be very effective, as well as it helps you in growth.